How to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone easily. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First, on your Android device, open the Google Play Store and install the Move to iOS app. Now, on your iPhone, start the setup process until you reach the Apps and Data screen. Select Move Data from Android and tap Continue. On your Android phone, open the Move to iOS app and tap Continue. Agree to the terms, then tap Next and enter the code displayed on your iPhone. You can connect via cable also. Once connected, select WhatsApp from the transfer options and tap Start. Wait while WhatsApp prepares your messages for transfer. Once the transfer is done, install WhatsApp on your iPhone from the App Store. Wait for the restore to complete, and your messages will appear on your iPhone. That's how you can easily transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more WhatsApp tips. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.